In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide your followers on LinkedIn and keep your follower count private. If you want a bit more privacy or prefer to manage your network quietly, these simple steps will help you get it done quickly and confidently. Start by logging into your LinkedIn account. Once you're signed in, you'll land on your homepage. This is your main dashboard where you see your feed and updates from your connections. So it's a good starting point for navigating to your account controls. At the top of the page, click your profile photo, sometimes labeled as the Me icon. This opens a menu connected to your profile and account. From here, you can access the controls you need to adjust your privacy. In that drop-down menu, select Settings and Privacy. You'll be taken to a dedicated page with a variety of options for managing how your profile looks and how your information is shared. On the left side, or in the main navigation within that page, go to the Visibility section. This area is specifically designed to let you control who can see your profile details and your activity across LinkedIn. It's where most privacy-related preferences live, so it's worth getting familiar with. Inside the Visibility menu, click on Visibility of your LinkedIn activity. This section is important because it determines how others view and interact with your profile, including whether people can see your follower information. From there, choose the Followers option. Here, you can decide who is allowed to see your follower list and your follower count. Adjust the settings so that other LinkedIn members can't view your followers or your total follower number. Once set, your list and count will no longer be visible to others, giving you more control over what you share and how your presence appears. A quick note for clarity: followers are people who see your public posts without necessarily being connected to you. Hiding your followers and follower count doesn't stop people from following you or block your content. It simply controls the visibility of those numbers and lists to others. You will still see your own information, and your account will function as normal. If you don't immediately see the option, use the search bar within Settings and Privacy to look up Followers. On mobile, the labels are similar, and the path follows the same idea within the app's settings. It's a good idea to review these settings from time to time, especially after platform updates. And remember, you can return to this menu anytime to change your preferences. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more simple and useful tips. And